Well, I'm going to be installing this below the water line on my 2005 Lund SSV 14. This is part of the positive ion system that ProTroll uses to attract game fish to my boat. So it used to have a sticker, but I'm going to fasten it with something better than that. I'm going to bed it using Sika 291. I just scraped off the old gunk, and now I'm going to install it. Okay, I already kind of marked where it's going to go, so the first thing I'm going to do is do my pilot holes. This is where I want it. 1, 2. Just kind of marked it. We're in. Just put a hole in my boat on purpose.
Can I see the hole on your boat?
Yep, you can.
Where is it?
There's 2 of them there.
Oh, I see. Little ones.
Yep.
So we can't drive the boat with the holes?
Nope.
So we're never going to go fishing again with the boat?
Alright, so I kind of got them started. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go by hand. When in doubt, go by hand. That is nice. It's a nice tight fit that I, possibly don't even need to bed it, but I'm gonna bed it. You gotta bed it. Just a better install when you bed it, especially below the water line. It's a necessity. You have to. Nice and tight. Okay. Now for the Sika 291. Is nasty, so you don't want to get any on your hands. That's why I kind of outlined it with this little box down here. So we're just gonna see inside the lines. All right, now I got, these are my stainless screws. I'm going to put one through here and one through there. Locate my holes. There's one. I'm going to start this going. start this one. We're going. Getting my squeeze out that I like. Here we go. That's in. This is tight. I'm just going to leave that squeeze out just like it is because I don't care. It's going to be underwater. I mean, I could, after this kicks, I could come back with a, you know, a razor blade and just trim off the outside, but I'm not going to do anything while it's wet because it's nasty. It gets everywhere, and that's that. Like I said, if I want to be particular about it, I could come back down the line and, you know, just trim it. But